Sekuphele izinyanga iPick It Up yagcina ukuqoqa imfucuza ngesikhathi kanti izakhamuzi zithi asisakwazi ukubekezela.
Ichaphazeka kakhulu futhi yena ngapha abahlali bala eDiepkloof because njengoba ngasathathi lezi ibilezi buka khona manje bheka la emva kwami ukuthi kunjani. Lento lezogcina sesilethelana ukufa izifo ngoba nakhona manje asikwazi ukuhlala ngoba kuyanuka la.
We are also citizens and we have nowhere to dump our rubbish. So it's challenging, and the people inside have spoken to me and said that they don't have water. I mean, the municipality has cut their water. These people are working under terrible circumstances.
IDA ithi lenselele yokungaqoqwa kwemfucuza yimphumela yokungahlinzekwa kwabantu ngezidingo kanti ifuna imeya yaseGoli iphendule ngalokhu.
As you can see, it's still closed right now. We've had vehicles turned away already this morning, and it's a bit of a concern. And as you can see, the scoops are still quite full. And it's all indicative of the financial problem in the city of Johannesburg. The executive mayor and the MMC need to take us into confidence on what's going on and how they're going to address this.
IPick It Up ithi ibhekene nenselele yokungasebenzi kahle kwezinye zezikhungo zayo okubalwa kuzo iRandburg, iMarlboro kanye neRoodeport.
The main contributors to those 4 depots is 2. One is what we call casual workers that are demanding permanent jobs. The second part of the issues has been we rely on service providers to render the services. Those service providers have been experiencing some challenges, and partly the challenges they have been experiencing is that the payment that we owe to them has not been coming to them as frequent as they expected.
Izakhamuzi zithi zifuna uhulumeni ungenelele ngokusheshsha kule nkinga eqhubekayo kumkhandlu dolobha waseGoli.